So we're going to start with vacuum sealing the siphon scrambled eggs. We start here with whole eggs, egg yolks, whole milk, and a bit of melted butter. And vacuum seal them and get all the air out. Once we do that, we're going to drop them into a 72C bath. They're going to cook for about, say, 35 minutes to a nice sort of pastry cream consistency. As you can see here, they're really starting to coagulate. After that, we load it into a siphon, which we're going to charge with nitrous oxide. And what that's essentially going to do is it's going to aerate it to a point that when we extrude it from the siphon, it's just this very, very fluffy, velvety texture. Here we're spreading the mushroom puree onto the silk pat. This is what we do to create the stripes for our mushroom omelet. So we start by spreading into one thin layer. We're going to pull a pastry comb through it very, very evenly, and voila, that's how we get our stripes right there. And very carefully pour the egg omelet base over the stripes, diffusing it with the spatula, and make sure it gets evenly distributed over the stripes. Now it's going to go into a steam oven that's running at about 179 Fahrenheit, about 79 C, and that steams for about 15 minutes. Here it's ready to come out. And you can see we have one beautiful large striped omelet sheet. Careful to cut away the edges. And then at this point we just cut the omelet sheets to the size we like. Very carefully detach it from the non-stick surface, and there we have it, an omelet sheet. Now we're going to fill the omelets with basically two things. First of all, the scrambled eggs that we did before, and this right here is a mushroom marmalade we make from shiitake mushrooms, a bit of chicken jus, some shallots. Here, as you can see, we're siphoning on the final scrambled eggs. And then we're going to finish here with a bit of fine herb, a bit of chopped tarragon, chervil, and chive. Carefully folding over. And the last thing we're going to do is just a brush of clarified butter. And there you have it, striped mushroom omelet.